Air wargaming, like naval wargaming, is a niche specialism within the wider miniatures wargaming hobby. Due to the relatively short time over which aerial combat has developed, air wargaming periods tend to break down into three broad periods. World War I, from the earliest air combat to the 1920s. World War II 1930s to the early 1950s. Modern, the Missile Age. To this can be added science fiction and alternate history, such as the various incarnations of Crimson Skies, or Victorian science fiction, such as Aeronefs. Air wargaming is served by a specialist wargames society, Air Warsic, which was formed by Steve Blease. Air Warsic currently exists as an online entity. The development of military flight occurred during the period covered by the Society of 20th Century Wargamers, and air wargaming articles appear frequently in its quarterly journal. Board games. Ace of Aces combat game that simulates a dogfight between World War I aircraft using two booklets. Achtung Spitfire, Air Force and the Dauntless expansion pack. Air Superiority and the expansion packs Airstrike, Desert Falcon and Eagle of the Gulf. Air War. B-17, Queen of the Skies solitaire game. Blue Max. Dawn Patrol. Down in Flames. Downtown. Elusive Victory. Flight Leader. Flying Circus. Fox 1 card game of modern jet fighter combat. Fox Bats and Phantoms. Hornet Leader solitaire game. Knights of the Air. Over the Reich. Richthofen's War. Rolling Thunder. Spitfire. The Speed of Heat. Thunderbolt. Apache Leader solitaire game. Whistling Death. Wing Leader GMT games. Wings. Wings of War. Famous Aces. Wings of War. Dawn of War. Miniatures rules. WW1 Air War 1918. Algernon pulls it off. String bags. Wings of War miniatures. In Clouds of Glory ICOG rules. WW2 Air Battles in Miniature. Wargamer's Guide to Aerial Combat, 1939-45 by Mike Spick. Highly recommended to any air wargamer. Bag the Hun. Blazing Skies. Free rules to download. 600 plus aircraft covered. Blue Sky series, currently 4 modules, Red Sun, Red Star, White Star, Blue Sea, and a 5th Black Cross, is in production. Check your 6. Duel of Eagles. Instant Bandits. Mustangs and Messerschmitts. Dogfights in 3D using 1/72nd scale model aircraft. Scramble. And the Angels 15 supplement. Sturmovik Commander, free rule set, inspired by Forge World's Aeronautica Imperialize. It has modular construction, which allows to expand it by optional rules or squadron lists. Modern Air War C-21. Bandits. Birds of Prey. Clash of Sabers. Fox 2. Fox 2 Reheat. Instant Thunder. MiG Killers. Science Fiction and Fantasy 5150. Fighter Command Space Combat in the THW's 5150 universe. Aeronautica Imperialize Warhammer 40k themed aerial combat. Aeron Victorian science fiction. Crimson Skies alternate history air combat in a fragment America. Hard vacuum World War II rocket combat. Interceptor Far Future fighter level combat in the Renegade Legion setting. Leviathan Far Future capital ship combat in the Renegade Legion setting. Mayday space combat in the Travelers universe. Mercenary Air Squadron. Star Warriors, a spin-off of the West End Games Star Wars role-playing game. Star Wars. Silent Death rules for the Star Wars universe. Online rules. As with most wargaming genres and periods, there are a large number of free air wargaming rules available on the internet. Some of these can be found on the Air Wargames online website.